Hello friends, welcome to my channel Jingle Bell. Today we are going to talk about something very much concerning. I have been lately noticing that people are saying that I'm tired, I'm not feeling good, I'm not low on energy. Why do you feel so frequent tiredness? Is it common or it has some relation to your body? What is wrong is going on within your body? You should know that. So why do you feel tiredness? Even though if you are not work so much, but the tiredness is out of proportion to your work done. So why do you feel that? It is very important to know that what is wrong in your body is happening. So you feel so much of tiredness, so much of mood swings. Why this all is happening? So firstly, we are going to check on is you are really hydrated. See to it that you are having enough of water, enough of food. So let's check now what parameters are going wrong. So that's why you're feeling so much of tiredness. So we'll firstly talk about the hydration because our body is made up of 70% of water and 30% of other things. So maximum of water. If your water content is low in body, the oxygen carrying capacity, the oxygen supply to your cell is low. So you have to check on your hydration if you are having enough of water or no. If oxygen to the cell is not proper, they'll function, they'll not get the energy and you will not feel energetic. So firstly check on your hydration. It is very important. You should have 2 to 3 liters of water daily. If you are not you are not feeling thirsty, you are you're just in work, busy very much, you can't keep track of your water intake, put an alarm on your phone that will remind you daily that you have to have so much of water. This is the first parameter. Another parameter is sleep deprived. Are you sleep deprived? If you are not taking enough sleep, like around 6 to 8 hours of sleep is compulsory for a body. So if you are not taking that sleep, then it leads to many problems. If you are sleep deprived, your cortisol level increases, your serotonin level goes down, your dopamine levels are dropped down, then you start, your body is not functioning, your hormones are getting imbalanced, that will create a mess. So please check to it that you're sleeping properly, that 8 hours sleep is important beside everything because your whole hormone, your circadian rhythm all get disturbed if your sleep is not proper and you'll feel tired. You'll wake up tired. The adenosine, that is a chemical in brain that gives you that if you're not napping for that hour, that is constant there. When you sleep, that adenosine decreases and it says that to mind, it sends the signal to the brain that now your sleeping time is over. You have done with it. Your metabolism starts working out. The body gets collecting out the waste and everything. So that all happen at night. So it's very important to get a good sleep. Second parameter we have covered. Now third parameter is your stress. Thirdly, it is a stress which you take in your daily life. Everyone is having stress in this life. Now and there, everyone is going with very hard times. Anything is happening around the world. Someone is busy with the family. Someone is having some or other stress. Everyone is having it. So if you're lot of stress, that also is bad. That gives you an increase in your cortisol again. Then you binge on unnecessary foods and everything. So first, get rid of those stress. How will you get rid of those stress? Go on a walk. Get get done with a physical activity. If you are doing a physical activity that increases your serotonin level, which sends a signal to our brain that you are happy, your mood is uplifted, you willing to do a more thing. When it is low, you feel tired, lazy, unable to focus and concentrate on things. So go on walk, get cheerful thing, do what do you like playing some sports or some physical activity, some yoga, anything, whichever thing you like, do that. It is very important for your body, because if muscle has been working, that will pump, and that will muscle will get the energy, what that is an ATP, to the mitochondria, which is very important to walk into the life. So it is important to do a physical activity also. Fourth thing, your check on your iron level. If you are deficient in the iron level, then also you'll feel tired, because there if your iron is low, your hemoglobin will be low, the oxygen carrying capacity to the body is low. Again, the same. So check it on your iron levels very importantly. It is very important, because if your iron is low, you'll feel tired, lazy, fatigued. Every time you'll feel fatigued, even though if you are not done those work. Okay. Fifth thing is your thyroid hormone. If your thyroid hormone is not working properly, then also you feel fatigue, hair loss, many things happen with those thyroid things. And that can, if it is imbalanced, please correct it, get checked to the things. And lastly, go on walk. It is very important. Hydrate yourself well, sleep properly, all those things. And then lately, those hormone, thyroid hormone, then your iron level, check to it, and then your blood sugars also. It also play a important role. If you are not checking on all those things, then that is the only reason you are getting. For watching my video. Hope you liked it. If you are getting really tired and fatigued, please check on all those parameters. It is very important to get yourself fit and fine, so you can focus on the thing which is more valued to you. Thank you so much. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe.